Okay, this is a program I start writing this morning very early, and as you can see it's still running, but let me quickly go up to show you what's going on. I will do this in English because most of the people have a problem with this. Let's quickly look at the program, but now the program is missing. Where's the program now? Hello? Now the program is missing. It's supposed to be someplace, but it's missing. Ah, there it is. Okay. I use a control index such as VB6. Let me just put this on top so that you can see what's going on here. This is what I'm using. Ah, that is not working. Why isn't it working? Ah, that's bad. Ah, you see, it's a different one. Anyway, I use this to create all this into an index system or a series. You remember we copy the controls and then okay, but anyway, this is a set one. I didn't create a one where you can add and remove as you please. This is a set one just to get the hang of it. And I also have the text, or the text of each control inside a file if this file was saved over here. So then it's loaded by, and this is how it created it. I will go quickly through. There's it on top, and of course as you see, then it must be true and blah blah blah. Okay, then Mr. Clear List, I put also, you will see if something happen around this ToDo button or text, you will get stars like that one over there. This is a button 3. This is button 3 is that one. When you click it, button 1 is this one here, the icon, which the center or the X or the underscore for the minimize is transparent, so it will, and then I just make the background lime so that it looks like that. So then I use a different system here. This is now this one. Instead of using save settings, I use a standard file. Just to play around a bit. I've done it always in Visual Basic 3 and also in Quick Basic and Basic A and GW Basic in DOS. So it still stay the same, and this one is the minimize button. And then all this is so that when you in a menu, in this menu, it changes bold and color to blue. This is what this is going about. And then there's a clear list, it's all of those, and then the saving list. When you save, I make the change part false and I change it back to ToDo without the stars. Okay, so that is saving, and that is how I do it, with the control line fit at the back. Otherwise you have all the values in one long line. There's colors again, and this I use the last left and last top, which has also been saved. If I close this program now, it will reload at this point, just to show you. And just make sure it's saved. Now I run it, it will come back over here, but now it won't be on top because on top won't be saved. Let's see, I don't think it will be. Yes, I have to change this feature. Yes, I have to change that feature. Okay, so that is where the last left and last top is. Then do again colors, and there's the lime. The moment the mouse entered, it became back color lime, and when it goes out again, it is the label 1, that color on that side. It's the same with the minimize, it's this guy. And then this is the checkboxes. This is where you're moving, that is where the color comes from. And it used the sender function because I run them all together as if it is a index. This is the checked, although I made a double click at one time, but this is actually not working. Not really anyway, it's working, but it's not necessary to do so. Then your menu show, that is so that when you click this one, it will open immediately over here. But let's say you click on this one, then you have that menu following you around. If you don't, it will open about here. And it's the same with this one. If you don't do this, it will open top left. So you have to follow your screen. And then here is unhide. I will show you. Let's say I hide this one. How do you get back? You have to click over here. You can unhide all, or you can select that one and it will unhide it. So you can, and now you will see, because it changed, the stars is beside it ToDo. You can clear all the list, or you can clear only the checked. On top you can click the dock. The dock function is of course right here, and then it will jump back again. Yes, the on top is still active because you didn't close it, you just hide it. Then there's your unhiding and hiding and ToDo, how it changed. Although the list didn't change, you cannot save when it is unhided or hide it. When you save and you exit your program and you came back, it will be back again, because you don't save. That is only for a temporary move while you're working in the program. And then of course the Z pen mouse move. Yeah, I move it, this program over here, and yeah, let's see the I edit function. This is this one here. Let's just go and unhide all, and this is this part. When I edit it, it's on this side. Okay, it will show you it's changed over here, and then that's that. label 1, mouse up. This is this one here. When you stopped moving, and you can, when you go out now, it will tell you the list has changed because I edited it at the bottom. You still know I don't want to, so I can go and save the list. Let's just see if I edit this and I press Ctrl S, will it save? I don't think so. No. Let's see. No. The shortcut keys doesn't work. For some reason or other, that Ctrl S is not working. So you have to look into this. Add to do doesn't work. Edit to do doesn't work over there. It only works right here when you edit it. For now anyway, because actually this was done for the future of this program. We can add and edit it some other things as well. So you have to click it before you can continue. Well, this is a small to-do list where you can, after you finish with something, you can hide it, and when you finish with that one, you can hide it. And oh yes, you want to, of course, to see if it is everything is there. This one is short, but this one is long. So if you edit, everything is over here. So if you unhide these long ones, you will see like this one is very long, and you can see it's still there. The whole thing is there, although you can only see until new, because that is where the checkbox stopped, but everything is still inside. And this has changed, so we can just save the list, and that's that. This is the program.